Are you ready to take your practice to the next level by becoming a specialist in holistic women's health and nutrition coaching? Hi, my name is Jessica Drummond. I'm the founder and CEO of the Integrative Pelvic Health Institute. Welcome to the third video in our free training series, How to Expertly and Confidently Address Complex Women's Health Conditions Holistically. In the first video, we discussed the fact that women patients you serve are undergoing more transitions than ever in their lives, than ever before in history. Health transitions, family transitions, and work transitions. And how you understand and manage her individual and overlapping transitions is actually key to her physical health. In the second video, we dove deeper into the skills that you will need to help your patients to navigate the totality of her health picture, including all of her complex and overlapping physical, emotional, and practical challenges, so she can actually follow your recommendations with ease and confidence, getting the results that you both want. Now, in this video, we'll talk about the process of learning the breadth of skills needed to be a specialist. There are many options for learning these skills, and to choose the most effective learning path, rather than wasting time and money getting the information piecemeal, you need to get clear on what the options are out there. You could try to create your own program to gain the holistic clinical skills and coaching skills by traveling all over the globe and taking individual weekend courses, or even piece together online courses. But putting together a complete curriculum takes a lot of effort and foresight about what skills you'll need to acquire when, and you might, at this point, lack that understanding. Plus, it's difficult to do this in isolation without peers and mentors who are taking that same holistic approach and can help you navigate areas of confusion. Even if you learned from a very skilled teacher, when you return to your practice and are confronted with a patient with a complex question, you rarely have access again to that teacher. A more effective approach is to take a certification training program that teaches you both the clinical approaches and the coaching skills you need to be a specialist in holistic women's health care. That's why the Integrative Pelvic Health Institute has created the Women's Health and Nutrition Coach Certification Program, a training that gives you both those clinical tools and holistic coaching skills you need to effectively treat complex women's health issues and get the results that your patients are seeking. We've built this program to meet the needs of health and wellness professionals who are busy and already have a foundation of skills, but who want to be leaders and specialists in this field. You'll walk away from this program with three things. First of all, you'll have an understanding of the unique challenges, emotional needs, communication styles, and neurophysiology of women, and how to integrate those with her physical symptoms to help her feel well again, body, mind, and spirit. Second, you'll have an understanding of the most relevant and up-to-date research and clinical perspectives on using nutrition, supplements, mindfulness, movement, and other wellness tools and therapies to address women's health concerns from a holistic and functional medicine approach. And third, you'll have evidence-based coaching skills that are grounded in published research and the experience of leading coaches in the industry. The total curriculum and organized program will allow you to be confident with the most complex women's health patients and grow your practice in a sustainable way, meeting the needs of those women you most wish to serve. It's delivered in weekly training sessions with top professionals that you can participate in from your home or office virtually. Plus, you'll be a part of an international community of healthcare professionals and mentors who you can access when you have questions about tough cases that arise in your practice. In addition to the live training sessions that are all recorded for you to digest at your leisure, you'll also have access to a private membership site with training archives, including call and webinar recordings, and handouts to use in your practice. A private forum is also included, so you can be in constant conversation with your peers and mentors as challenges arise. Plus, you'll have access to guest expert interviews to supplement our core training. When you pass the exams at the end of each module in the program, you'll get a certification as a women's health and nutrition coach that you can then use as part of your practice. In some states and for some professionals, this certification also qualifies for CEUs. The full details are listed on the registration page. To register for the certification program, simply click the button below this video, where you'll be directed to the application page. Send in your application at your earliest convenience because we do review them in the order in which they were received. If you're accepted to the program and you register before August 31st during our early enrollment period, you'll receive a $500 discount, that's 16% off your tuition. There's a limit of 120 students in this session, so make sure you send us your application as soon as possible. The training begins September 17th and registration closes September 27th, or when the program is filled, whichever is sooner.